Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna teach you how to do this or the drawer different pattern. Now they are very simple. So you just create a drawer first. Click on B, box selection. Okay, Control up, down, left, right. Okay, then you right click, create drawer. Okay, generate drawer. So simply choose a pattern first. Okay. Then computer will ask you customize, then confirm. Okay, so now how to turn this drawer become this pattern? Okay, this curve, very simple. Okay, you click on this one, right click, you see panel point editing. Okay, so click on panel point editing, you come to here. Okay, so now you just do a curve only lah, simple as that. You just add point first, or add point here, add point. Okay, the point move. Okay, move on. Add another point. Then this one here also. Okay, click on this one. Add another point. Okay, so because it's middle so this one I don't want. Okay, Control Z, you can repeat back. So click on this one. If you don't want, just click here, delete. So it will delete. After that, you click on the line, click this pattern only lor. Simple as that. Or you can see here, the drawer, we have the pattern already. Just simple as that. Click save, then return. Any pattern you want, you can create like this. Okay, exit. Now if you don't want, let's say B, board selection, this one is what banner. This banner, if you don't want, just delete only lah, guys. Or no need make yourself so trouble. So finish. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.